Welcome to our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Susan McGinnis.
And Susan, what did you come out down with? I know you came with your brother, and I got 3 sisters, and I love them all.
Yeah. My brother and I were having very low back pain and shoulders and neck, and digestive issues, and we were just chasing symptoms for years. And we watched Dr. Bergman for 10 years. And I got on the site here, and I saw the tests you did for an extremely reasonable price. And I said, I'm going. Do you want to go with me? And he said, yeah. So we're here, and we're thrilled we're here. We're glad we're here.
This is the cool part. I mean, in Huntington Beach, it's $250 for all our tests, and that includes full torso thermography, digital x-rays, exam, nerve scans, live blood cell analysis, even the first adjustment. Down here in Mexico, we include all of that. And it's $350, but that includes a dental exam, digital x-rays, cleaning, a complete blood cell count, everything. I see like thermography is $500 by themselves.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what kind of experience was this?
I followed you years ago and learned about American Biodental, and so I came over here many, many years ago for twice over there. And then when I saw that you had moved here, I thought, oh my gosh, they pick you up at the San Diego airport in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you're here. And we took the whole barrage of tests in one day and had a consultation with you to go over all this stuff. It was so easy and so wonderful. It's great.
And the clinic's located at the hotel.
Absolutely awesome. It's a brilliant idea. Dental, chiropractic, labs, IVs, everything all in one spot was brilliant.
Now, there's some people out there that are chasing symptoms.
Yes. Okay,
and symptoms are only alarm telling you that there's a problem. Okay, nobody's suffering from medication deficiency syndrome. So what could you tell people that are in that loop, which most of the people are? They go to a doctor that's supposed to know anatomy and physiology and help you, but if they just give you drugs, is that really helping? Most of the time it's not.
I don't know. I found the thermography I knew that would hone in and get very specific for us. Mm-hmm. And that was one of the things that drew me, and the blood analysis and stuff. So,
what did you think of the live blood cell?
It was amazing.
It
was horrifying, but
yeah. Well, the second one we do is going to show me better.
I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah. Now, your brother also had a lot of good results, and he's not good ad-libbing, so he didn't want to be on camera.
Right.
Now, what kind of experiences has he had?
He's loving it, absolutely loving it. The people here are so nice, so kind, so caring. We've had more fun. It's a beautiful place. We walk around everywhere. We've just had a great time.
Now, what could you tell someone that has no hope, that they're having the digestive disorders, they're having everything, and they're taking the antacids and the muscle relaxants, and what could you tell them? Because their body is built by God. It's smart.
Yeah.
It gives symptoms for a reason. We don't do the symptoms. We don't react to them. We find the cause and fix it.
Well, one of the things, watching you over the last decades, we've seen stories of just people, and I heard you say,
what are the stories?
I know, people that come here with surgeries already, chemotherapy, everything done to their bodies, and they still get help. Their bodies are still able to come around. It's a no-brainer.
It's cool. Human beings are designed for this world, and this world was designed for them. If you have a symptom, do not cover it up with a medication. Right. Find out why your body's giving you that signal, and find somebody that can fix it.
Amen. Amen.
Amen. God bless you all. Thank you so much. You rock. Okay. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all.